And Carney is all set to become the nation's next Prime Minister. The Liberal Party's return to power signals a new chapter for the country. DD India's Tarun Paul Singh gets us this report from Carney's victory rally.
While the celebration is underway with the Carney victory, a lot of things have also been questioned. A lot of things have been answered by Carney in his winning speech also. It's a historical night filled with optimism and excitement as hundreds gathered here to witness this defining moment. Carney stepped on the stage to deliver his victory speech. It was an emotional address highlighting unity, economic stability and climate action, themes that resonated strongly with voters throughout his campaign. The crowd erupted with applause, clearly energized by the Carney's promise to immediately address pressing national issues including economic recovery, housing affordability and climate change.
I'm feeling pretty confident that there will be a majority Liberal government at the end of the night.
The atmosphere remains electric and Canadians are hopeful under Carney leadership, Canadians will grow forward. From Canada, this is Tarun Paul Singh.